Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I am watercoloring this Siyun 30-inch 250% density wig, jet black. I have never dyed my hair jet black. I don't know if this looks black or what, but it's like everyone always talks about how much of a difference it is between jet black and just natural 1B and stuff. So I'm excited to really see if there's a difference. But I've watercolored a few times. So this is the wig. It is body wave, so and 1B. It does look pretty dark to me, but I don't know. We are going to dye it jet black. It is super duper duper thick. I have a review unboxing on this hair, and I'll do an updated review later. But we're gonna do the first step. A lot of lace here. This lace is like medium brown, kind of dark brown. Oh, I forgot to say, I hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. Follow my lash company, Casino Lashes. And let's get into this video. So the mistake I've been making lately was not spraying enough of my lace. Like I usually just spray like where the hair is instead of like up here. But when I actually cut the lace, I actually leave a lot of this on here, so it's important that I actually spray that part too. So we're going to add 3 layers to the whole wig. So let me show you all. Okay, so as you all can see, I'm just going to spray all of the lace, like even the excess lace. I don't want to miss any of it because when I actually install the wig, I usually have extra lace at the top. So just make sure you spray everything. So this is the first layer. We're going to blow dry. Sorry, my blow dryer is a little dirty. That's really just like lace glue. But we're going to blow dry it to where it looks almost kind of like, you all know how it looks, like silverish or something. Like you can kind of see that the got-to-be glue has dried up on there. So we're going to do that. Then go back in with the second layer. Blow dry again. Go back in with a third layer, blow dry again, and make sure you spray all of the lace. Okay guys, so in the sun, you can see that there is a brownness to it like that, like that, like that. We're taking this outside because I don't want to mess up my bathroom. But yeah, you can see the brownness. Let me show you all the lace right now. The backyard is a little bit messy, but so you see it has like a dark, like you can see the got-to-be on here. It formed like a hard shell on it. So you have, that's when you know you have enough got-to-be glue freeze spray on there. So this is the container I'll be using. You can use any container. And I have the boiled water on the oven, so I'm about to come out and pour it in here. So for coloring, I just have these 2 Adore bottles. They're both jet black. I do have a royal navy in there, but I just don't want to add blue right now. I'm just a little scared of it, but we're just going to use these 2 today. Okay, so I poured the hot water in that container, but then I realized it was leaking some before I poured the dye in. Thank goodness I noticed, and then I was like, okay, I need to switch containers. So that's what I'm about to do. You can see me noticing the water dripping everywhere. Okay, so I literally saw this in the yard. I wanted to get something quick because I didn't want the water to cool down, and I did not want the water to leak out, like all on the ground, I guess. So I'm just going to dump out the Adore dye. So to make sure you get it all out, you may want to, after you squeeze as much as you can out, you kind of like dip it into the water and then squeeze it out so it can get all of the water like on the sides of the container of the dye bottle. You may want to like shake it in the bottle a little bit, like scoop the bottle down and then shake that water around, then pour it out. But yeah, you just make sure you get all of the dye in there. And I actually stirred the dye around this time using the end of a comb. I just didn't feel like getting a whisk. This is just a really quick dye job, like very minimum effort here. But you just want to make sure you get all the dye clumps out. Just stir and make sure the dye is evenly mixed in the water. So now I will be dipping the wig in the water. So you're going to dip it in ends first from the bottom. And just I'm kind of swirling it around, just making sure all pieces get it and lifting it up and down. I'm going to give you all a better view in a second, but you can almost see the difference already, even though I know it hasn't taken it in. But we're going to end up leaving it in the water for 30 minutes. Like, you can already see how black the hair is. So the water was super duper hot. I know it was. So like, you don't have to have your water that hot, but I mean, that's just what I did. But you can see the blackness coming in. It looks gorgeous, especially in the sunlight. So yeah, and you see the lace is fine after 30 minutes. And now it's time to rinse the hair out. I did not like shampoo the hair afterwards or anything, so I won't strip the color. But we're going to take it to the tub now and rinse this hair out. You can kind of see. So I do it until the water is almost clear. Like, I didn't even do it to where it was completely clear because you'll be there all day, but I did mostly clear. And it turned out fabulous. It did not bleed on my clothes or anything. So this is how the hair turned out. Like, I feel like jet black does make a difference. Like, it looks completely different. But like, just like the contrast between my skin and having black hair, like, I feel like Twitter hypes up stuff sometimes. So I really wanted to see, like, is there a difference? I may end up sticking with jet black. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.